This video is not sponsored. What's up guys, Chris's Creative Warehouse here, and today we are going to be reviewing the drone Skyhook. This is the drone Skyhook. If your drone can lift it, you can drop it. So today we're going to test that. We're going to see what this thing can actually lift, as well as do a couple of drops and have a little fun along the way. But first, let's see what comes in the box. This is what comes in the box, so let's take a closer look to see what we got. Each component is 3D printed, so that makes it extremely light, but also custom fit to the drone you have. They sell hooks for the Phantom 3, 4, Mavic Air, Mavic 2, and Mavic Pro. Links for those will be down in the description below. The hook is a little expensive. It retails for about $180, but it does have unlimited range. You control the dropping from your controller, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. So when it comes to assembly, it hardly takes 60 seconds to put together. It all just snaps into place really nicely. Everything's pretty secure, so you won't have to worry about it falling off during the flight. So the way this works is after you've turned it on, you slowly tap your C1 or C2 buttons to turn the front lights on or off. The way you program this is you go to the menu, then you tap on the controller icon, which allows you to customize your C1, C2 buttons. Go ahead and select turn on and off front LEDs. When you do this, it sends a signal from the light sensor to drop the payload. You can either push this button on the back twice to reset it, or just do the same thing you did to drop it. This is how we get unlimited range, if your drone is connected to the controller, and so is your Skyhook. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get on to the fun stuff. So I mean, yeah, have fun with this. You know, maybe you can drop water balloons or have Superman hanging from it. Just be careful not to get it stuck in a tree. So one fun thing that we got to do is my dad is actually a magician, and we were able to incorporate the drone in a magic trick where the audience member would choose random cereal, and without my dad knowing, that cereal they selected would come in flying on the drone. It says it is able to carry 2 pounds. So I went ahead and filled up a jar of rice, and it was able to carry it no problem.
Down.
So it could lift a guitar, which weighs about 6 pounds, but we did find that its max was probably a little less than 3. As you can see, it's having a lot of trouble lifting this 3-pound bag. It can hardly keep it off the ground for more than a few seconds. So I think that the hook can actually lift more than 3 pounds. It just comes to a matter of how much can your drone lift. Alright guys, there's my review on the drone Skyhook. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click that subscribe button, and also those links are down in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.